Sound lang കേൾക്കുന്നു. മോളെ careful.
ചേച്ചി
Connie.
Take a picture. Don't come there. Hello. Take a picture, huh?
How can I stop and take a picture, Mola?
I think this picture. Yes.
Connie, can you turn around?
Okay. Careful, no?
I don't use the kalli. I'll use this one. Okay?
I think stop the video first, then go. You know you'll look.
No, I'm not looking. Wait. Ah.
Okay, va.
Ah.
Okay, va.
Come.
Nalla thought. Yo. Ema, yeri the covers so dari.
Oh, then. Okay.
You careful. No,
Yeah,
don't
just-
go here. Or water.
No, it's okay. Come.
Hello, water le.
Come la.
Hey, stop. Here would enter. Stop. Agadu kerna don't. Nice, huh? Red color recording. Nice, huh? What do you call? I Tarjan.
I Terjun
Amoy.
Amoy. This is Air Terjun Amoy. So beautiful nature.
The history is
During the Japanese invasion, the Chinese ladies, they used to come here for swimming.
and the Japanese guys.
They disturbed them lah.
Yes.
That's why it is named under them. Mola, can you go that side? I want to just take a snap of you. Wow. The weather is so cold. Okay, come.
Wait, I'm coming there.
You go in front.
Wait. Stable first, stable. You put this here, this one. No, move. I want to go there. You just move. Hey, come. Mommy. Hey, hold on. Wait. Careful. Oroda, angotu pole, oroda. Ingotu va. Can. Okay, va. Okay, nice.
Until here, the water is here.
Okay.
You know?
Feel the water. Hey, where are you going?
Come and feel the water.
Careful. Mud. Yeah. I know so ice la.
So cold, huh?
No, it's not on. Is it on?
It's on.
Oh, very cold. Careful.
Oh my God, ice cold lah. Nature.
There?
See where it's going. This is what our orang asli is drinking lah. The clear water.
Drinking or maybe bathing.
I think they use for drinking. This is very good. This one, Mola. Clean water.
Can actually. It's very clean. No pollution. Yes. No, upper body.